Welcome all you Tom and the Deers. What could it be in the box? Well, I bet you it's a ZSNAKE ES-39. Let's take a look here, see how it came. Basically, if you're going to buy a ZSNAKE, buy the ES-39 model because it has the 13-inch tires and the dual shocks up front with the axle that goes through the wheel, and it comes with lots of great accessories. Here's the little ride box, goes on your handlebars. You've got seat and a seat pole, which I've actually never hooked up the seat. The gives you two chargers and a small little tool kit. Chargers look like this, real simple. They give you a tool kit with all the Allen wrenches that you need for most of the tools, most of the fittings. This is the seat pole here, or handlebars. It's pretty easy setup. You just got to put the handlebars on. The seat I've never mounted. I always like to just use the stand-up. And there is a little thing about the seat, which I'll show you. If you don't mount the seat and you don't use the bracket on the baseboard where you stand, the screws are too long and they'll poke through the baseboard and chafe the wire that goes to your rear motor. So if you don't use the seat and the seat bracket, go to the hardware with one of the screws in the back and get a little bit shorter one so it doesn't cut into your power wire that goes to the rear motor. So yeah, it looks like it made it here in one piece. Looks pretty good. This is my fourth ZSNAKE. I had an ES-36, ES-37, ES-39, and I loved it so much I bought another one. So I'm going to pull it out of the box here and be back with you in just a minute.